Hi, this is Steve, and welcome to Uncharted DIY. This short follow-up to my DIY compost tumbler video is dedicated to Stephen E., our good friend DB, and all those who might be questioning how easy this compost tumbler is to turn. Stephen expressed the concern that as the tumbler approached the halfway mark, it would be impossible to turn. Our tumbler is almost at the halfway mark, and here's the video he requested. You'll see not only me operating the tumbler one-handed, but my 5'2", 98-pound wife operating it as well, albeit two-handed. So it's big butt for counterweight, and tiny butt too, demonstrating how easy it is to turn this tumbler. As you can see, it remains stable as it's tumbled. The design is such that the added weight just increases its stability, much like a keystoned Roman arch. For those that might like a handle to better grip the bottom, we demonstrated an easy way to add one without drilling into the barrel. If you haven't built one of these compost tumblers yet, there are links to the video, free plans, and how-to guide in the description below or on UnchartedDIY.com.